Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step with real demonstrations how to find out your Gmail password. Here, this ID has been recommended by one viewer who has lost his device, and due to losing of his device, now he is not in a position to rescue his Gmail password because of now he doesn't have the recovery email and recovery phones. By a common method also attempted, it's giving a only one two alternative options to a rescue. But don't worry, of course, definitely by a best strategy, we will generate a more options to a rescue this Gmail password. How is it possible? Let's see. The firstly we will try by a common method here. See, but this strategy will be a functional when someone who has hacked your Gmail password, stolen by someone, or unfortunately you have lost your Gmail password, or due to old ID you forgot your Gmail password. Apply a similar strategy. Take any smartphone, guys. There should be no SIM card and the phone. Try another way. Just we will try this in a Gmail recovery mode. Now here we can see it's asking a phone. We don't have a phone, so we will tap on it, and after tapping, now it is a thing that you did not provide enough information for Google to be sure that this account is really yours. Yes, we will have to provide much more information, sufficient information to Google that we can claim this account is mine. How it is possible? Yes, two alternative options is given by Google. So one is that answer is question so. Second is that if your account is managed with any alternative recovery email or family links, we have sent an email to your parents to change your password. After all, it's saying that recovery email. We don't have a vote, so we cannot attempt it by these two options. We would like to have a more alternative options to rescue this Gmail password. How it is possible? Yes, this can be possible. Just we will cut it from here. We will come in a Play Store. Here we will have to pick a one browser that should be fully AI and virtual private networks with that. So here write Opera. Just simply we will go with this browser and tap on here to install. Now it has initiated to install this browser. We will cut it from here. On the other hand, of course, we will come in a Google products and we will tap on the browser. So take any smartphone, guys, apply a similar strategy step by step. Don't skip ahead. Every step is very crucial and important for us to rescue of any Gmail password. Now here in a app info we will tap on it, and now we would be on a here notification. We will have to make it disable, guys, anyhow. Yes, not I am doing permanent for time beings. Yes, just we will click on a permission. In permission, of course, we will have to tap on use a precise location off and click on here don't allow. So no longer function as I intended. It's saying that if you deny this permission, fine, we will click on here don't allow. Tap on it once again. Here we will back one more time, and here open by default we will check it out. That should be a disable. It's not be enabled, guys. Fine. Yes, remove permission and free up a space. That should be also disabled, guys. So it's already disabled. Fine. Now we will cut it from here. Once again we will come in a Chrome browser, because we can see here two browser is functioning on these smartphones. But one thing, there should be no SIM card in a smartphones by which we would like to rescue of particular Gmail password. Now yes, connect a Wi-Fi or a hotspot, no problem at all. Now we will tap on this app info in a Chrome browser and tap on a permission. In permissions too we will come in a locations, make it customize precise location off, then click on don't allow. So no longer function as intended of this Chrome browser. Fine. Now we will tap on it. Now we will click on here. Free of space is already disabled. We will have to back and notification, check it out. If it is enabled, then of course you will have to make it disable. Now we will cut it from here. Everything I have done from here. Now we will come in a Play Store and it's now installing. Fine, almost it has been installed. So here option will be open to open it. So we are waiting here. Almost it has been installed, guys. Just now see it has opened this option. So we will click on here. Now skip everything here, don't do anything, so just so that quickly it will be opened here. Now yes, we will come on here, cancels everything. Now in Google search bar directly you can pick a Google. Now we will have to wait, guys. Here now it's opening automatically, guys. We will come in a sign in, so tap on it a little bit. In initial step, if you skip everything, then it will be a functional slowly, so don't worry. Now directly we came on a especially sign in. So here let me done it, and here tap this particular ID so that we would like to rescue. So let's see. Let me tap on it a little bit. It's little bit, see, actually it's a smartphone is an old one, so that's why it's happening. No problem at all. Let's see. The now this ID actually it happens due to old smartphone it is, guys, that's why actually, but don't worry. Now this ID I have tapped here. Now we will click on a next, and when we tap on here forgot password, now see here what's going to happen. It is asking a password, guys. Fine, we will go with this, especially try another way. Now it's a verified ID. We can see here this Gmail is linked with this last two digit of 524 number. If we don't have, then click on it don't have my phones. Otherwise, if you have, then you can rescue by using text or calls. Yes, OTP would be generated and you can rescue quickly. But if we don't have, then we will click on here I don't have. Now here is also asking that answer is questions on. Second is that use a device where you have signed in before, and the third is that if your account is managed with alternative email or family link, we have sent an email to your parents to change your password. But one thing is more option has been given here, more tips to rescue of your account. So here don't do anything, don't go for try again, otherwise this page will be open once again after repeating all the options. So here just we will cut it from here, and we will use a Google Assistant by tapping on a setting, and automatically your ID would be especially fully recovered. How is this possible? Yes, we will tap on here in Google Services and Preferences option. Here it is. Just we will tap on it. In each smartphone, so there is a special option given. Now we will click on a help options, and when we tap on a help options, here we will click on a help bar, help search bar that hacked your Gmail recovery or hacked Gmail recovery. When we tap on it, guys, this page will be open. Secure or hacked or compromised Google account. We will tap on it, and after tapping, we will come on here, scroll up, and here we can see review your account activity. Second is that review which devices use your accounts. If you would like to see your what are devices is or are logged with especially this Gmail, then you can click on here. Right now, due to saving of time, we would like to come with here, find out if your account has been hacked. Just we will tap on it, guys. When we taps, then this page would be transferred to here at the corner of that. See here, just let me close. Here is options. These tips can help use the account recovery page if someone who has changed or and thinks that. Here just we will click on these tips, and when we tap on it, guys, then we have option that is recovery page. Fine, we will tap on it. Directly would be a transfers to the recovery page. When we will click on here, this ID automatically will be a recommended finds. We will tap on here to next. Don't do anything, automatically your ID would be recovered, guys. Now see here, don't click on a continue, otherwise you would be trapped in its verify you option. So you don't have a recovery phone right now, as we know that last one 52 digit was especially as a recovery number. OTP would be generated on that number. You don't have, so just we will click on here update password. So directly we will have an opportunity to create a strong password, confirm a strong password, go for save it. After saving, we will come in a Google account management, and after coming in a Google account management, we have an option there, sign in or security. There click add a firstly alternative recovery email, and after adding we can remove recovery phone number. We can add then recovery new phone number. After adding of it, this ID will be permanently secure. These things we cannot show you on a live, guys, here, because this is a privacy concern of my viewer. So this is all about. Furthermore, any inquiry, of course, I have the query below the comment box. Pleasure will be mine to reply your query, guys. So thanks for staying till the end of this tutorial. This is the Technology Welfare. I will be back with new step-by-step tutorials. So don't forget to comment, likes, and subscribe these channels. These things really supports the channel, guys. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye.